Okay, guys. First commercial property. We got a couple. It's dirty. It's very dirty. I'm gonna give you a little tour of it. This is a rehab center. We have to get all this groundwork. And this is the back of the building. So we're gonna take you guys around. This fence right here. We gotta get that. We haven't even been inside here, but I know it's pretty much like the same as everything else. Tops right here. We got some growth up there. Damn, we got growth all along here. Here, got work. Okay, and what I was checking, see if we have water. We got water all throughout the building, and I got the key to open these. Here's not too bad up top. Down the bottom it is. This is the far side of the building. Furthest away from everything. Right here, it's real bad. Real bad on this side. But this side is closer to the trees, so of course it's real bad. Real bad. Groundwork again. Let's see. Now we got groundwork all the way up and around the building. This side of the building is not too bad. Actually, this is the front of the building. Some growth right here. Heavy growth. Turbo nozzle that. We got some pretty bad growth inside this area right here. It's everywhere. Not hard to get off. We got look at that stucco right there. We might have to hit that with a 12 volt. This stuff is dirty. Look. It's concrete. I might have to bring Matt on, you know. This growth. It's a lot of growth. It's a huge building. Window sills all the way on the front have growth. But for the most part, it's not too bad. These awnings. Growth. It's pretty deep on this one. It's pretty deep. Okay. Now we did see one water faucet on the front. Back we already passed it. And they have one up here. Maybe that's not. I don't know. I don't think so. So we might just have that one down there. Front part. No. Have a water hose right there. Yeah. So we have water right here in the front. Front's not too bad. Right there. Once again, the awning. And then groundwork. And groundwork. Turbo nozzle. This side isn't too bad. Okay, not too bad on this side. And yeah, stuff in the corner. Not too bad. Not too bad. Probably got a little something against these window. The wall right here is these trees. We gotta be careful, make sure we don't burn them. And concrete work. Hit some of this yellow up the turbo nozzle all the way down, all the way around the building. I need to clarify, we're doing the entire parking lot as far as all the yellow. And that's pretty much it. And the fence over here. The fence goes all the way down to the street level. So we're gonna need water to be able to run that water all the way down to the street. Even if we have to do all this yellow.